Oh wow, look at all that.
Oh wow!
That's crazy cool.
Look, my rock has some mini crystals.
Oh wow.
Oh wow!
Look at those.
Look at those.
Okay, Jacob, do you want to do some science?
Yeah.
What science do you want to do?
I do like some crystal science.
Want to do some crystal science?
Yeah, can I look at some crystals?
Well, we got 10 things to do in here.
That's ice cream. It's ice cream. It's ice cream.
All right, let's have a look which ones you want to do.
I'll do the crystals.
Okay, let's have a look at the crystals then. Grow crystals.
Yeah, I'll do the crystals.
All right, let's have a look.
That's open.
Okie dokie.
Daddy, what's OD?
Grow crystals and lava rocks. Okay, let's read the instructions. Okay, so this takes a day, Jacob, look. So, you have to fill in your observation chart here. It says time passed. What does it say? Time passed? What does that say?
It says time pass.
And this?
Time, 1 hour.
And what does that say?
3 hours.
What does that say?
1 day.
And then what does this say?
It says results.
Okay, so what you have to do is you have to put your results in writing, what happens to the crystal after 1 hour, 3 hours, and 1 day. Okay? The crystal growing solution, got the rocks, got a little container, got our lava rocks here. Like Gorilla Tag shiny rocks. All right, Tusi, hold your hand out. Oh, it's 1 rock for Tusi, 1 rock for Jacob. Let's have a look.
Rock.
Let's have a look at your rock, Tus. Okay, Tusi, put your rock in here. Jacob, put your rock in there. Okay, let's have a look. That's cool.
Yeah.
Cut this off here.
Let's cut this corner off.
All right, so we've got to put half of it on Jacob's. Let's make sure that your rock is in a good place. And half of it on Tusi's, okay? Yeah?
We're gonna do some science.
We're gonna do some science. We're gonna do science.
Some amazing science. I'm gonna tip the liquid.
Okay, but Tusi, so I need you to be careful with your hands right now. Jacob, hold the top, don't hold the liquid. So hold the plastic piece here. That's right. And make sure we got it on both. Okay. Good job, mate.
Yeah.
But look, so first of all, we have to wait for 1 hour, and then we have to wait for 3 hours, okay? So we're gonna put it somewhere safe and come back and look at it in 1 hour, okay? So how many minutes are there in an hour?
There's like 1.
No.
Oh, 2.
No.
2.
No.
3.
No.
100.
That's 60 minutes in an hour. So this is now set for an hour, which is 60 minutes. So when this gets to 0, we're gonna make our first observation, okay? So let's put this here. All right, guys, we've got the alarm going off. We've waited an hour. What do you think's happened there, Jacob?
I know, the blue went off.
So it looks like there's a bit of blue going on in the water. One's blue.
And one's white.
Our observation after 1 hour is not much has changed. So now we have to wait for another 2 hours to make it 3 hours. And then we have to come back. Not much. There you go. Not much. Okay, you're gonna start. Okay, good job, Toos. 3 hours later, can we see anything?
Yeah,
What can we see?
we can see rocks.
And we can see rocks, that's right. I can't see anything, that's 2 C's. I don't see any crystals or anything. Do you see any crystals?
Yeah.
I don't see anything. This rock just looks kind of bluish with blue water. See any change, Jacob?
Oh, yeah.
I don't see anything. Do you see anything, Tusi?
Yeah.
I don't see anything. All right, so let's put in our thing here. After 3 hours, also not much.
Not much. I can see it.
So we have to wait. I can't see anything. You can't see any changes. Can you see any changes?
Yeah.
I can't see anything. Some of these experiments take time, buddy. So let's do this one.
I can see anything.
I don't see anything. And then we can do a different one. We'll do the volcano next because that happens straight away. Fist bump. Juicy, fist bump. Good job. All right, Jacob, let's have a look. We are now at 8 hours later and we've got some crystals on 2Cs, but we don't seem to have crystals on Jacob's. Not yet, anyway. Wow, Jacob, look at these crystals up close. They look super cool. Okay, so we're going to see in the morning whether Jacob's has got any, but right now, it doesn't look like yours has got any. But I'm sure something's going to happen, okay? 2 days later, should we look at the crystals? How's it changed? Something's changed. No, let's be careful. Watch out. Okay.
It's white. It's white.
It's changed white.
Yeah.
Let's zoom in. Oh wow.
It says white. Look at mine.
There's still no crystals on yours, or it looks like it's drying out, but there's no crystals on yours. Whereas 2C's has got lots of crystals. Look at that.
What?
Wow, can you see those crystals?
Yeah, this is like super amazing.
And this is it after 2 days. Let's have a look. You can see. Can you see that's your rock?
That is so amazing.
But it's got no crystals. Look, see? Don't have any crystals.
And look at the brightness there.
Yeah, that's super cool, right? Let's go and have a look at 2C's. Wow, 2C's has got lots of crystals, look. Wow. That's crazy. How many crystals 2C's has got? Guys, we're going to look at the crystals today, okay? Let's take it over the table. 2C, we're going to look at the crystals today. Okay.
White.
All right, it's got the white crystals. Don't touch it, watch out. Let's go, let's have a look. Let's bring it down here. Look at that, it's all dried up now. Let's have a look. Okay, so yours was the blue crystal, right, Jacob? Wow. All right, let's take a closer look, shall we? Wow. Doesn't look like much happened to it. Oh, look, it's got more crystals on the underside, Jacob. Okay, so we'll take a closer look at that. Okay, Jacob, what do you think of those crystals?
They're like,
These are yours.
metal and see-through and like super cool.
They're like metal and see-through and super cool. Yeah, they're transparent. Oh wow, look at all that.
Oh, what?
That's crazy cool.
Well, my rock has some mini crystals without mini crystals.
Yeah. 2C's has got big crystals, but yours has got little crystals.
Yeah, because
really
they're
cool.
like little crystals.
They are. I didn't think yours were going to get any, but then it got all of these little crystals, which is really cool. Let's have a look at this. Whoa, look at those.
Oh, you can do the focus?
Yeah, you can do the focus. Do you want to do the focus?
Yeah.
Okay,
How do you do
press
it?
the focus there. And there you go. Look at those, Jacob.
Wow.
Yeah.
That is great.
Yeah, it's super cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
Kind of looks like cauliflower.
It kind of looks like cauliflower tail.
Do you know what cauliflower is?
Yeah.
What's cauliflower?
I know. Is it like some white stuff or something?
It's like vegetables. Look at those. It's so cool. It looks like snow. Super cool. Yeah, that was cool, Jacob, right?
Yeah, that was cool.
Yeah?
Yeah!
Yeah?
Yeah!
Which is your favourite crystal then? Your favourite was both. That's a good choice. Okay. Next experiment.